Have you ever wondered how factories transform whole potatoes into thousands of perfectly shaped French fries within seconds? The process begins with peeled potatoes entering an automated conveyor system that controls their position, spacing, and movement. Guides and positioning mechanisms carefully align every potato, ensuring it enters the cutting section at exactly the correct angle. With one powerful movement, the potato passes through a precision blade grid and is instantly divided into uniform French fry strips. The finished strips are collected for inspection, delivering consistent size, faster production, and significantly less material waste. This automated technology turns ordinary potatoes into perfectly cut fries, combining speed, precision, hygiene, and efficiency in one